Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're taking a closer look at the CRAFTSMAN fixed height workshop stool, a robust and reliable seating solution for your workspace needs. This stool is designed to handle stress with ease, supporting up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for various tasks around your shop or garage. Standing at a fixed height of 28.5 inches, it fits comfortably with most workbenches, ensuring you maintain a comfortable posture while working. The heavy-duty, rip-resistant padded vinyl seat is not only easy to clean but also resists rips and tears, promising durability and longevity. With its 360-degree footrest, you can sit in any position you prefer, providing flexibility and comfort throughout your workday. The powder-coated steel frame is equipped with non-marring feet, protecting your floors from scratches and scuffs, so you can move it around with peace of mind. Whether you're working on a project or just need a sturdy seat, this CRAFTSMAN stool is a fantastic addition to any workshop. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.